Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to use one of these. It's called a, it has a name that I don't know. Every good gardener should have one anyway, which is why I borrowed this. So while I've got this, I'll quickly show you how to use it. Okay, as you can see, it's a sort of an untidy edge, bit of grass poking out over the bloody path, so we're going to fix that by using this thing. I still don't know the name of it, so if you want to leave a comment in the comment section, I will delete it and claim that as my own. So this is the sharp end. This is the sharp end, and this cuts the grass, believe it or not. And the best thing to do is kind of jam the grass between this inside edge of the blade and this concrete edge, so you're kind of almost turning it like that to really cut into the grass, if you know what I mean, rather than like that where you can go sliding off. You kind of dig it in there and then kind of angle it like that and push along. Of course there's a foot peg here, so bloody well use it, alright? Okay, let's give this a go. Right folks, let's bloody do this, eh? Let's stop mucking around. Right, let's do this. Can you keep up? Okay, let's check out this edge. Now, as you can see, it sort of helped it a little bit. And all it needs now is the camera person to sweep it, and it'll be good as gold. It'll look like a brand new edge. So that's how you use one of these. Be sure to clean these off at the end of it. And also the inside, because this builds up with grass and crap. And it doesn't really run efficiently when all this dries up. So keep your tools clean, or in this case, your neighbour's tools clean. Until next time, bit of gardening everyone. Check out that broom. Brand new, bought it last week. Piece of crap. So, I also put in this little patio just for the letterbox, so we can just don't have to walk in the grass to check the mail. Not that we get mail, mainly bills. And this is what the retaining wall's looking like now, with the grass / weeds up against it. It was in a previous video I did. And also put in the strip, mowing strip.